How to change quality on Netflix. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can change the quality on Netflix. So first of all, open your Netflix app. After that, choose your profile, and then in order to change the quality, simply tap on your profile icon, which is in the top right corner of your screen. After that, go to app settings, and then it will provide you a bunch of various options. So you cannot change the video quality on Netflix, but you can change the quality in which you download videos and watch them. So to do that, tap on the option video download quality, and now it will provide you with two options, standard and then high. So if you choose standard, it will download faster and it will use less storage. But if you want high quality and don't care about download speed and storage, tap on the second one, which is high, and now whichever videos you download from now on will be downloaded in high quality and you can watch them in high quality. So that is basically how you change the quality on Netflix. That is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.